Hi, and welcome to Naples Motorsports, now home of Lotus of Naples. This is our first 2018 that just arrived in. Can't tell you how excited we are to have Lotus as a brand that we can offer here at Naples Motorsports. Since we've already served the entire country with our exotic, sport, and luxury vehicles, Lotus is the perfect addition to our family of cars that we carry here. This particular car, let's talk a little bit about it. It's a black metallic with black leather interior. A couple special things in 2018 that Lotus is doing. This carbon fiber front cover here, access panel, it's an $1,100 option. It's actually included at no extra charge. And across the back, the rear bonnet, all done in carbon fiber as well. That's a $5,500 option, included in this car for absolutely no extra cost. Now, Lotus redesigned the car for 2017, and that all carries through the 2018 model year. Everything from new wheels, a completely new redesigned exterior, a new basic chassis to the vehicle that allows much easier access getting in and out, more interior space on the inside as well. Upgraded supercharger, now 400 horsepower with a new Magnuson-style supercharger. The extra performance has been fantastic. This car is a 6-speed manual transmission. Cruise control is an option. Navigation system, backup camera. All the options that you would want to have on the car are here, just perfectly equipped. Not too much, not too little. I love the style of the seats now, all completely redesigned, better ergonomics. You'll notice that the liftover, just to be able to get in and out down here, it's much lower and it's narrower than the predecessor. Entering and exiting the vehicle now is much simpler. With the manual transmission, there's actually room for your foot now off to the left-hand side of the clutch pedal. Back end design, a little more muscular than the previous generation, a lot more defined rear diffuser, center mounted exhaust out the back, which by the way, sounds absolutely amazing. Parking sensors as well. I love the style of the side, the big, large rear quarters of this car. Gives it a very wide, muscular look from the back end and also the side view. So you move around to the front here as well. The front has also been redesigned. LED headlights, gives you great visibility at night. They look great on the car. And the front of the car has been squared off a bit more, definitely more of a sport or muscular type look to the vehicle. What I like best about the car is the drive. The car that it's going to be compared mostly to is probably a Porsche 911. Their beginning model, also right around $100,000 mark, about the same price as this car. Now let's face it, Porsche builds an amazing car. It's gorgeous, the performance is wonderful. This car is targeted right at that. I think the real advantage with this car, you don't see one every time you turn the corner, every time you go around that other corner. I see Porsches all over Naples. Even if you go into areas of the country where, more snow belt, basically, you're still going to see a lot of Porsches. Lotus, you're just not going to. If you want to be more of an individual type style on your car, for what we're offering, this car is absolutely gorgeous. Priced right, performance is wonderful. Let's take a look at the sound of the car. As you can see, this is one incredible car. My name's Ron Ward. You can reach me at 239-776-1310 and let Lotus of Naples put this car in your driveway.